Okay, now guys, we came to the sulfur hot water bath area. So I'll tell you the story. The king went for hunting. He smelled one rotten egg smell, and there was water, and he discovered this area, and then there's a waterfall here. I will show you in the video. And look at this hot water. And see, I'm asking my mommy so many questions. Look, there's so much hot water. Okay guys, now we are going up to see the water. Okay guys, this is a low bridge, and now we are going to see the waterfall. Okay guys, this is the second time we are coming to the sulfur hot water area, because that time it was night. Now we are coming at the morning, and let's see the view. And now we are going to see the waterfall. Bye! Okay guys, thank you for watching my vlog, and support me and subscribe.